Offshore windenergie is erg belangrijk voor een gezonde energiemix in de Europese Unie. De werkings- en onderhoudskosten zijn echter heel hoog. Ze kunnen oplopen tot zo'n 30% van de totale energiekost.
It's difficult to get there, as far away from the coast. You must rent a boat, also use helicopters. The meteorological conditions can be not so good to get to the platform. So that is why the costs are so high.
Corrosie is de belangrijkste oorzaak voor technische problemen. Om dit te voorkomen is het WaterEye-project opgestart.
The purpose of the WaterEye-project is to develop a smart corrosion monitoring system to work unattended inside a wind turbine to get a continuous monitoring of the thickness loss of the steel structure due to corrosion.
Hiervoor ontwikkelde Delft Dynamics een drone die corrosie kan monitoren.
The drone has rotor guards around the rotor blades, and on top of the rotor guards we have a special sensor placement system which is able to house a ultrasound sensor, so the drone can push against the wall to take an ultrasound measurement on a certain spot in the wind turbine tower of the wall thickness.
De drone verzamelt data en stuurt deze naar een database op het vasteland. Daar worden deze gegevens gebruikt om onderhoud te plannen en om de windparken op zee beter te managen.
Flanders Make was involved in doing more preparation related to diagnostics and prognostics, also doing the real calculation, taking the measurements from a database to see how the state is now and how will the state be in the future. And we also made a demonstrator to validate the result of the project.
The results are very promising, and I believe that it could be in the market in 5-10 years.